In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Netlify. If you already have a website deployed on Netlify and you want to use a custom domain you purchased through GoDaddy, this process is pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. Start by logging into your Netlify dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll see your list of sites or projects. From here, select the project you want to connect to your custom domain. Make sure you choose the correct site, especially if you manage more than one, because the domain will be attached to that specific project. After opening the project, look for the domain management section. This is where Netlify lets you add, verify, and manage custom domains for your site. Click into domain management to open the domain settings for that project. Next, click add a domain. Netlify will give you a few options. And since your domain was purchased somewhere else, choose add a domain you already own. This option is for domains registered with providers like GoDaddy, and it tells Netlify that you'll be connecting an existing domain rather than buying a new one through their platform. Now enter your GoDaddy domain name carefully. Double check the spelling before moving on, because even a small typo can cause confusion later. Once the domain is entered, click verify. Netlify will check whether the domain can be added to your site. If everything looks good, confirm by clicking add domain. At this point, Netlify will prompt you to connect in GoDaddy. This is the handoff step where your domain registration and DNS settings need to be linked so traffic goes to your Netlify site. Follow the connect in GoDaddy option to continue. This usually helps automate part of the setup, which makes the process easier than manually editing records yourself. As you go through this connection step, give the system a little time if changes don't appear immediately. Domain and DNS updates can sometimes take a while to fully apply, so a short delay is normal. If your site doesn't load on the custom domain right away, don't panic. Just wait a bit and check again. Once the connection is complete, your GoDaddy domain should point to your Netlify project, and your site will be accessible through that custom web address. That's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Netlify, and your site is now one step closer to looking polished and professional online.